Welcome back, and I'm very excited that Fabio, CEO of Arduino, is joining this conference. He's going to tell all about Arduino Pro, their new brand focused on the enterprise market. Enjoy his talk.
Hi, all right, everybody. My name is Stacey Higginbotham. I am the editor of the Internet of Things podcast and the Stacey on IoT newsletter, and I am here doing an interview with Fabio Violante, the CEO of Arduino. Hi, Fabio. How are you doing today?
Hey, Stacey. I'm fine, thank you. So, of course, with lockdown, it's quite complicated, but we will try to improve in the future and get better.
There we go. Yeah. And, I'm looking at your bookshelf. I'm like, gosh, do we have the same books? It's kind of like we have a whole different category of conversations we can have virtually. It's fun. I know I have an Arduino somewhere back there in a box. All right. So let's get started because a year ago, y'all kind of did a big deal. Y'all introduced a pro version of the Arduino, the Portenta. I love these. I love these names. Can you just tell me a little bit about why you created that and what that platform really looks like?
Yes, Stacey. So in general, I think that Arduino has been used in the world by millions of people for different kinds of applications. And what we realized since I joined Arduino about 3 years ago was that we were treating all these different types of customers with the same technology. We were providing the same technology, and there was a need for specialized technology. So what we did at the company level was to create 3 business units: one to look after the educational market, one to look after the makers market, and finally, of course, the professional market that is of paramount importance moving forward, given the importance of the IoT for the future. And then we created the entire business unit, but also a specific line of products revolving around very high performance, high quality microcontroller-based technology initially that will solve a number of issues related to the needs of professional customers, from power management to robustness to longevity of the products. So those are products that are dedicated not only to prototyping, as people used to do with Arduino, but also to small, medium-sized batch up to 10,000 pieces, where it does make sense for you to use a predefined, let's say, Lego-style block that you can plug into your infrastructure.
Sure. And so these are probably more rugged. Yes. Higher temperatures. I don't know.
Yes.
Okay. Outdoor rated, maybe. And then you've got things like when you mentioned longevity, it's really important in industrial settings to say, hey, is this going to be around in 6 years, 7 years? How long did you guys set for?
So basically, yeah, we are providing, let's say, so far very, very, very long lifetime for the products. It really depends on the components, but we ensure also that we get the upgraded components. So we're talking about 5 years and plus.
Okay. Well, and we're here to talk about LoRa, so we have to do that. You have a LoRa capable shields, and I'd love for you to tell me, where are the use cases for LoRa that you're seeing with your clients?
Yeah, we had different kind of experience with LoRa. So as far as the product, and there will be a workshop also during the conference that talks about the Vision Shield with LoRa. So it's a shield where we do have a camera shield for the Portenta platform. Is something like this, shaped like this. So this is the Portenta and this is the shield with LoRa capabilities. So this means we do have a product that allows customers to create an intelligent camera that transfer all the signals, not the image, but basically the detection of the image. So the meaning, the information related to the detection that the board has performed through the LoRa network. But more in general, LoRa is very important for us moving forward. In general, all the long range, low power technologies. For example, we did perform a quite sizable experiment in the field by keeping, a snowplow in a big city in the northern part of Italy with LoRa connectivity. So, for example, we provided Arduino devices to be mounted on the snowplow that could detect the position of and the hour of working and other metrics back to the central operation center. Using the local LoRa network for that region,
and so sorry, I want to make sure I understand. So that allowed the people who live there, or just the operations manager in the city, to understand what streets have been plowed?
So far, it was mainly for the operations managers to understand the system and make it more efficient. So send people at the right time, etc. And they're planning to extend also to give visibility to the citizens about what is going on there.
Okay. So that is happening. That is just broad LoRa use. Let's talk about Vision, the Vision platform. It's doing machine learning on the edge, I'm guessing, which is allowing it to say, oh, this is I don't know if it's doing image detection, image recognition. It can be programmed to do anything?
It can be programmed to do anything, because we did build a partnership with OpenMV. Okay. And they have a version of course of the development environment that is co-branded Arduino and OpenMV that support totally our products. And basically you can create your own algorithms. So all the things that can be done with OpenMV can trigger a LoRa event.
Okay. And are there any challenges that you guys had to overcome in working with LoRa?
So I think LoRa is quite active at getting on the very important problems. So for sure, the OTA over-the-air update was something that was critical and is being addressed gradually. So it's a very active, it's a very active community, and we see a lot of potential on that. So I wouldn't say challenge. Of course, the challenges are the low bandwidth, but somewhere,
that's also that's a benefit there.
It's by definition. So I would say we are happy so far, and we are investing more. Already 2021 will be a year where we invest a lot of resources in this area, and we will keep investing in this area in general.
Okay. Well, Fabio, thank you so much for talking to me today. I really appreciate it.
Stacey, thank you very much for interviewing us, and I hope you will get your hands on one of these new wonderful products. So I will make sure that your team will get some.
Thank you.